welcome to my channel. My name's Lily. Today we're going to match the sound of the alphabet to the animal names. Anteater. Camel. Bear. Dinosaur. Fly. Elephant. Insect. Hippo. Gorilla. Jaguar. Lion. Kangaroo. Moose. Ostrich. Newt. Rhinoceros. Queen bee. Penguin. Sloth. Ugly bug. Tiger. Fox. Walrus. Velociraptor. Zebra. Yak. Anteater. Bear. Camel. Dinosaur. Elephant. Fly. Gorilla. Hippo. Insect. Jaguar. Kangaroo. Lion. Moose. Newt. Ostrich. Penguin. Queen bee. Rhinoceros. Sloth. Tiger. Ugly bug. Velociraptor. Walrus. Fox. Yak. Zebra. Thanks for coming and learning about the sound of the alphabet. Click here to subscribe, and check here to watch some of my other videos right here. Bye!